Hi kindergarten, it's Miss V. I am reporting from outside because it is absolutely gorgeous out. It is Sunday and man, I spent the whole day outside. I think I'm a little burnt. But that's okay. Probably should wear sunscreen. I do, but I forget. Like when you first get outside and you're just so excited to see the sun, you forget. So I eventually put it on. Don't worry, don't scold me. Especially Cedra. I know she likes to scold me when I forget to do things, but I'm here to read a book to you guys, and it is called Itchy Head. JK, it's not called Itchy Head. It's called Seeds, Seeds, Seeds. I wonder what this book is going to be about. Ha ha ha, you're so smart. You know it's probably about seeds. It's by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace, and it's written and illustrated by her. So, I already have a clue. I think this is definitely a fiction book. Why? Bears can't water plants. I saw a bear today. A real bear. I was walking in the woods and I saw a bear. And he was big and I was alone, but with my dog. So I just was like, I made the sound and went, "Rah!" like that to scare him away. And then I said, "Go away, bear." Because that's what you're supposed to do when you see a bear. Just make it, like, be really loud. Beans, beans, beans. How do you like it? How do you like it? Beans, 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 and seeds. Seeds. Let's go like that. Okay, can you guys see? That's a dedication. That means someone is dedicating this book to someone. Let me try to sit the right way. There we go. One Monday in early March, Jim the mailman called out, "Package for Buddy Bear." "For me?" asked Buddy. Jim read, "It says for Buddy from Gramps." Oh man, how cool. Ooh, look how early it is. He's still playing in the snow with mittens on. So this is early March. So that's at the end of February pretty much. So I guess it could have snowed. Buddy carried the big box into the kitchen. Mama helped him open it. Inside were bags tagged and tied with blue string. Buddy lined them up. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was a note from Gramps. "Dear Buddy, have 5 days of fun. Love, Gramps. P.S. It's almost spring." Buddy picked a bag. You see what one he picked? The purple one. Ooh, what's inside, he wondered. He and Mama read the tag. Different and the same, different and the same. Count them, sort them, glue them by their name. Buddy opened the bag. Inside, he found glue, markers, a piece of sturdy paper, and a small white bag. Interesting. That's what's inside the purple bag. There's a smaller white bag. Buddy shook the little bag. It made a shh, shh, shh sound. He peeked inside. Then he tipped the bag. "Seeds?" asked Buddy. "Seeds," said Mama. Buddy counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He touched them. "They feel really hard and dry." Mama said, "That's the seed coat." "The seeds have coats?" asked Buddy. "Yes, Bud, the hard seed coat protects the tiny plant curled up inside." "Look," said Buddy. "What do you see?" Mama asked. The seeds are different colors. They are different shapes. They are different sizes. Mama, do big seeds always grow big plants? Sometimes, but not always. Some small seeds grow into big trees. Actually, I know of a really, really small seed. Have you guys ever had mustard with mustard seeds in it? Mustard seeds are like this big. But if you plant a mustard tree, it grows into a super, super, super big tree. That's not a mustard tree, but I'm just using it as an example. Back to the book. Buddy's seed collection. On the sturdy paper, Gramps had written Buddy's seed collection. Corn, pea, radish, pumpkin. Buddy sorted the seeds. I see seeds that look like corn and seeds that look like peas. Which do you think are the pumpkin seeds? Mama asked. The big ones. Those right there, said Buddy. I remember them from when I carved my jack-o'-lantern. I think the littlest one must be radish seeds. I think you're very smart, said Mama. Then Buddy glued the seeds next to their names. Corn, pea, radish, pumpkin. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Oh, he's getting like me. When he starts talking about food, you get hungry. I got really hungry. Okay, keep going with the book. Mama and Buddy had a snack. Seeds, 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 said Buddy. Look what they're eating. He saved some apple seeds for his collection. Oh, snap. He's got a seed museum going on just like we do. Buddy's seed collection. On Tuesday, Buddy lined up the bags. He closed his eyes and pointed. Mama and Buddy read the tag. Look, look, look. How do I grow? Put me in order, then you will know. So look, his grandpa set this whole surprise bag thing up for him. Pretty cool. Buddy opened the bag. Gramps made cards. I like cards, said Buddy. The cards show how a seed germinates, said Mama. Buddy giggled. Germinates? Does that mean it has germs? Mama giggled too. No, germinate means to start to grow. Ooh, that's a good vocab word, you guys. Germinate. So, do kindergartners germinate if they grow, or do plants only germinate? I think kindergartners grow and plants germinate. Germinate is just a fancy way of saying grow, but like in plant language. Why do seeds start to grow? Asked Buddy. Mama explained. To start growing, seeds need oxygen from the air, the right temperature, and water. A seed soaks up the water. The water softens the seed coat and makes it swell. The seed coat splits open and the seed begins to grow. All those cards are kind of showing him how a seed germinates. Buddy put the cards in order. How does a seed know what to grow? Each seed grows the same kind of plant that it came from, said Mama. Inside each seed is the beginning of a tiny plant called an embryonic plant. Embryonic, said Buddy. Can you say that? Embryonic. Yes, Bud. The tiny plant has a tiny, tiny embryonic root. So inside a seed, or even a pea seed, you'll see a tiny baby plant. That's the embryo right there. Actually, we all started as embryos, just different types of embryos. I started as an embryo. Once I was an embryo. I was so small, and I was inside my mom's stomach, and I started just like this big. So everyone comes from something small. Plants do, and people do. A tiny embryonic stem, tiny embryonic leaves, and food to nourish the tiny plant as it starts to grow. Do you remember what that food is called? Cotyledon. Say cotyledon. 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 Good job. Okay. Food, said Buddy. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Oh my gosh, this Buddy, he just won't stop eating. Buddy and Mama had a snack. Seeds, 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 said Buddy. He saved some cantaloupe and watermelon seeds for his collection. Oh, snap. He's working on a seed museum. I wonder if it's going to be bigger than yours. Look how big his seed collection is now. Buddy's seed collection: corn, pea, radish, pumpkin, watermelon, apple, cantaloupe. When Wednesday came, Buddy said, "Another day, another bag." He and Mama read, "Here is something you can eat. For the birds, it is a treat. Just for them and just for you. Good nutrition, energy too. Something to eat." I like this bag already, said Buddy. Buddy looked inside. He found a small bird feeder with a red roof. There were also 2 clear glass bags with seeds. Mine look different, said Buddy. The seeds for the birds still have their hard coats. Can you guys see? This is a sunflower seed with its hard black coat. And this is the sunflower seed for Buddy. These seeds for you have their hard coats taken off. and their insides toasted to make them really, really good to eat. Good to eat? I'll have one right now, said Buddy. He popped one in his mouth. Then he filled the feeder with the bird seeds. He saved some for his collection. Buddy and Mama went outside. Buddy pressed the suction cups against the glass. The little bird feeders stuck to the window. Oh, snap. I got one of those for my mom for her Christmas present. She loves it. A bird feeder I'm talking about, not seeds. When they went back inside, Buddy asked, will the seeds grow inside of me? Dun, dun, dun. Hey, friends, I think we already talked about this. Can seeds grow inside your stomach? Do you need to be worried about that? Should I be worried? I just had a lot of seeds for dinner, actually. But we don't need to be worried because inside our stomach, what are some things that a seed definitely needs to grow? Yeah, you're right. Oxygen, water, and sunlight, and soil. Are all those things in your stomach? No. Is the sunlight going through, getting in right here? No. So you're okay. Don't worry about seeds growing in your stomach. I used to be really afraid of my stomach exploding with watermelons, but I'm not afraid anymore. Okay. Back to the story. When they went back inside, Buddy asked, will the seeds growing inside me? No, Buddy. They won't grow inside of you, but the seeds we eat are good food full of vitamins and minerals. Your morning cereal is made from the seeds of wheat, oats, rice, and corn. Oatmeal. Oh, yeah, love it. Mama tasted Buddy's sunflower seeds. They taste nutty, she said. And yummy, said Buddy. He saved one toasted sunflower seed for his collection. One singular toasted sunflower seed. Buddy's seed collection, look how big it's getting! OMG! On Thursday, Buddy said, this one today. Mom and Buddy read the tag. Glue these on. Make a nice design. Create a picture frame that is mighty fun. Cool. Look at what he's going to make. Buddy emptied the bag. Look what Gramps sent you in this one, said Mama. Different beans, seeds, a cardboard frame, and more glue. I like gluing seeds, said Buddy. I've done that before, friends. Later, Buddy and Mama had a snack. Strawberries, Buddy said. I see teeny tiny seeds. Mama said, and strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside, shouted Buddy. Buddy added some bean seeds and some tiny strawberry seeds to his collection. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at the tiny little strawberry seeds. Cool. Beans are seeds. When Friday came, Buddy chuckled. Which one should I pick today? I think I'll pick this one. It's a joke, you guys. He's being, sarcastic. Which one should I pick? He only has one left. He and Mama read, here are some things you can sow. Water them, watch them sprout and grow. Though it takes a little while, surely this will make you smile. I wonder what he's going to plant. What did his grandpa give to him to plant? Gramps had put the bottom half of a plastic bottle, some potting soil, grass seed, tape, and paper shapes in the bag. But he knew just what to do. He poured the soil into the bottle. He sprinkled the seeds over the top and covered them with just a little more soil. Next, he watered the seeds. Then he taped the paper shapes to the bottle. Now I'm really hungry, said Buddy. Buddy saved some pear seeds for his collection. How many seeds he has, and all different shapes and sizes. For several days, Buddy watched. He watered and waited. While he waited, Buddy read some books. He brought his seed collection to school. He rode his bike and played catch with Dad. He built a model airplane at Cub Club and went to his best friend Albert's birthday party. After a while, look at that! You guys, he made a face. That's cool. Buddy sent a package to Gramps. Dear Gramps, seeds, seeds, seeds. So much fun. Thanks lots. From your grandson, Buddy. Seeds, seeds, seeds. Oh, I like them. Oh, I like them. Seeds, seeds, seeds. Seeds are magical, you guys.